How to use Manulife Disability Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Manulife Disability Insurance in Canada is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working, yet many people make mistakes that reduce coverage or even nullify claims. Most people get this wrong because they assume all conditions are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some Manulife policies pay only if you cannot perform your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you with partial or no benefits. Another frequent error is neglecting the elimination period, which is the waiting period before benefits start. A longer period lowers premiums, but leaves you financially exposed. A shorter period increases premiums, but gives faster protection. Balancing this with your savings and monthly expenses is key. Underestimating your benefit amount is also a major pitfall. Your coverage should reflect your income, living expenses, and financial commitments. Opting for a lower benefit may make the policy more affordable, but it could leave you underprotected if a serious illness or injury occurs. Ignoring optional riders is another mistake. Manulife offers riders such as cost of living adjustments, residual disability coverage, and future increase options. Skipping these can limit flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Manulife requires full transparency during both application and claim processes. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Manulife Disability Insurance Canada can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right elimination period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information. With the right approach, you can safeguard your financial future and gain peace of mind knowing you're covered when life takes an unexpected turn.